Hi and welcome on this rather dull and cold December afternoon. Today I'll be doing a review on Pro Kleen's snowfoam. This one is in the cherry fragrance. I'll be washing our Audi Q4 and I'll be using a Karcher K4 power washer, a Autobright Direct snowfoam lance, a G-Technic hand mitt, a Halford's wheel brush, and to dry the car off, the G-Technic drying towel. Okay, let's get started. So I usually fill the lance bottle up with about 1 inch worth of snow foam. Unfortunately this can be quite messy getting it into the bottle. Not using a funnel. So put about 1 inch into the bottom of the bottle. And then I usually fill up with hot water. This should be enough to do the whole car, so put the lid back on. Okay, let's get cracking. The car on this occasion wasn't massively dirty, as I don't usually let it get too dirty before washing, but to show the capability of the snow foam and washing process, I did a finger test just to show how dirty the car was before snow foaming. Okay, so the method I use to clean the car is a twice snow foaming method. The main reason for this is less friction on the paint. So I wet the car first before the first snow foam, then let the snow foam dwell. The dwell time for this snow foam on this occasion wasn't too long, only around 5 minutes before it was ready to be rinsed off, as you can see. The snow foam itself wasn't as thick as it claims to be, but that may be down to my setup. However, it did remove loose dirt and grit from the car, leaving a residue ready for the second snow foam and hand wash. This snow foam claims to be pH neutral, so is the ideal choice of snow foam as it should not strip any existing wax from the car, which is great if you've just waxed the car. So now we're going to speed things up briefly while I rinse off the first snow foam along with any loose dirt that the snow foam has loosened. As you can tell, all around the car it is slightly cleaner already with just a residue left. As another finger test shows, we're now ready for the second snow foam and hand wash. Okay, so now we're going to speed things up again for the second snow foam and hand wash, now using the wash mitt to remove any remaining residue from the car, followed by another rinse. At this point, I also snow foam the wheels using the wash mitt to clean the outside of the wheels and then the wheel brush to clean the insides. The car is now looking extremely clean and ready for drying, which I then do to finish it off. As you can now see from these next few short clips, the car now looks absolutely amazing and very clean. So, how well did it do? The price was £15.24 from Amazon with a 20% discount. Thickness of the snow foam was 6 out of 10 as it wasn't as thick as claimed. Dwell time was 5 out of 10 as it didn't dwell as long as other snow foams. Level of gloss was 8 out of 10 as the car was very shiny afterwards. Price was 7 out of 10 as that was because of the 20% discount. Ease of rinsing was 8 out of 10 due to the low thickness. It was easy to rinse. Fragrance was 2 out of 10 as I couldn't smell any cherry fragrance in this snow foam. Cleaning power was 6 out of 10 as it removed grit and dirt, but still some residue it could have shifted. This leaves an overall score for Pro Kleen snow foam of 6 out of 10. That's all for this video, so thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, or better still, hit the subscribe button. Or if there was a snow foam you would like me to review, please leave me a comment. So that's all for me for now, so see you in the next one. Bye.